it have a red light?
Yeah, it's recording.
Wake up, Abigail. It's time to eat. Oh, you're so cute. What do you think? It's time to wake up. Oh, stretch. Oh, you are just the cutest thing ever. What do you think, sweetie? She just falls right back to sleep so easily.
Mm-hmm.
Show mommy how you're gonna go on a roller coaster. Hands up. There we go. Hands up.
Don't suck on that. I gotta feed you. No, I gotta feed you.
Don't. Stop it. What do you think, honey? Watch your fingers. Oh, there we go. Oh, don't. I was sleeping.
Your fingers.
Watch fingers, honey.
Just put it, yeah.
I never even thought of that. The A's, their starting pitcher, they have 4 rookies.
We're talking baby, not sports.
I mean, that's not awesome.
We're listening to baby sounds. Where are those baby sounds? What happened?
I need to feed her.
Don't you need her to wake up more?
She will as soon as I change her diaper.
Oh. Alright. That'll wake you up, huh? She's like, yeah, I'm getting a massage. This isn't working to wake me up.